What up, y'all? As I'm editing my video, I wanted to insert this clip and make it the first part of the video that y'all see. So today what we're going to be diving into is how to troubleshoot your alternator. If you're having starting issues, you don't know if it's the starter, you don't know if it's the battery, you don't know if it's the alternator. Today I'm going to show you a quick little test to show you what it is, specifically relating to the alternator, because in my case, it's the alternator. I'm gonna show you what signs that I have that led up to me determining that my alternator is bad. So stay tuned, check out the rest. All right, y'all. We're about to go see if this Impala start up. Nah, it's gonna need either the battery or the alternator. The battery is the newest thing on there. But it was a cheap battery. It was like $90 or something like that, O'Reilly. So I'm gonna start with that first. However, my battery light did come on, and that's usually an indication that you need an alternator. So we're about to see what's going on. Oh, snowy days. I don't want to get out here and do it, boy. I gotta show my mama car. Here got a 30 Impala. You gonna start for me? I like the way you start for me, daddy. Is it done for me, daddy? It's already cold. I can't grab my key. And come on, stuck in the rain. Don't y'all hate when this shit happen? Stuck, key stuck in the damn key. Hold on. All right, here we go. Got the motherfucker out. Let's see what it do. The light's gonna come on. Light's not too dim. That's not too damn either. It's a little dim, but let's see what's going on with Shouty. Not too bad. Shut this motherfucking door. It started. But y'all see that battery light still on though. Yeah, service battery charges. So what I'm gonna do now, since we was able to get it started, I'm gonna unplug the alternator and see if it's still running, because I don't have a multimeter, and I don't think this car display my my battery voltage. Ooh, it's so cold. I didn't want to bring this content to y'all, but good lord, it's gotta get done. Okay, so 425, I got this battery. As y'all can hear, to me, it's kind of confirming that it's the alternator because of the noise I hear. But I can't quite determine if it's coming from the alternator just yet. I do hear it from the belt, so what I'm gonna do with my alternator right here, it's relatively easy replacement. So since my car started, it lets me know that I do got some juice in my battery. So probably have to pay $200 for this alternator. Damn, I don't want to do this alternator right now, but so here's the electrical connector right there. So what I'm gonna do is let me try this thing. Shit in my life. Come on, dude. Ooh, the manifold. All right. I got my money. You still running? Well, you actually got some juice in there, but don't you? Okay. Hold on now. All right, I should have kept the video rolling a little bit longer because when I turned the video off, I stepped back and I noticed how dim my lights were after I unplugged the alternator. And within about a minute and a half of it running, it cut off. So that lets me know that it is in fact my alternator, which I'm gonna plug it back up and try to start it and see if I can get y'all another perspective of what I saw. Center. Okay, it's plugged up. I see the damn lights. Oh yeah, this joint ain't about to start. Look at that. Question is, I don't even feel like messing with this joint right now. It's dead. I can't even get my key out. So, all right. I don't think I'm interested in doing this right now. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just tackle this in the morning. Yeah, I'm gonna just tackle this in the morning. I'm gonna take my ass to the gym, and yeah. So I know. So what I'm gonna do is, since my battery charge is probably weak, I'm gonna take the battery out too, and I'm gonna have O'Reilly's warranty it out. And then tomorrow I will show y'all how to replace the alternator on a 2013 Impala with that V6 VVT direct injection. So stay tuned. So what we got to do out here in the cold, and it ain't like I ain't did it before. It's not a whole lot of light either. And yeah, so it's relatively easy job. Nothing I ain't did before. So I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. Peace. Now, where my check engine light go? Check engine light just went off. It was very dim, but my fucking key ain't gonna come out, bro. Man, let a nigga out. I did this. There we go. Okay. Why it ain't working like when I want to show y'all when it work, how it work when I show y'all. Anywho, I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. We will get this taken care of. Love y'all. Peace.